Okay, let me do a fast video for Lumia Nodes, and they are very hyped nodes at the moment, and I want to bring this video to you because the pre-sale is coming in few days. The sale starting in just a couple of days when I'm doing this video. This will be 18th of July, and I'll just go to the bullet points why this is very hyped at the moment. Make sure you understand, nothing here is financial advice. Do your own research and never ever put more money you can afford to lose. So what is Lumia Nodes? Okay, Orion is a token what's going to become Lumia. Now Lumia, they're trying to fix the liquidity in the real world asset, what is a big thing. Why they are very hyped? Well, first of all, this is the only node who the token is already listed. So what they're going to get, they're listed on Binance, on Bitget, on Gate, on KuCoin, and on Coinbase. Centralized exchange tier 1. Well, that's a big thing. What does that mean? That means that the token Orion going just to become Lumia, simple. And the same token Lumia will be listed already on all these exchanges. What means we don't need to wait months and months and months for the token to be out and then for the token to be listed. So we can claim and sell any day we want. So how this is working? So you go to the nodes, you buy the node and use the code. Make sure you use the code FIL08. Why? Well, first of all, thank you so much for using my code. Second of all, I'm doing sometimes giveaway. Like yesterday, I did a 1 node giveaway for agent layer, what cost $1,000. If the team give me one, I'll give you one to you also. I'll also send $50 to few people who are using my code. I'm going to send one to agent layer tomorrow, and I'm going to do probably the same for Lumia Nodes. Okay, so make sure if you want to use my code and support my channel, I will highly appreciate. The code is FIL08, and thank you so much. Also, big percentage going for the donation and charity when I'm helping around the world. Okay, that's always one of my goals. Now, next thing. So the listing is 18th of July. We have the token already listed, and let's see how many tokens we're going to get. Now I'm not going to go into details what is the node and all the stuff. Go and check the white paper because it's a very in-depth white paper, and by getting the node you can earn in one node 3 licenses, what you can have more passive income. That's why I like the nodes. This is digital node, it's not real. You can buy on Binance chain, you can use Binance chain, I guess Solana, Arbitrum, we're going to find out all on Wednesday, but will be cheap for the transaction fees. Now the next thing what I want to mention is, let's see how many tokens we're going to get. There we go. They're going to give us 100,000 tokens per day. The price of the node is $1,000 and maximum supply is 50,000. There are big names behind these nodes, which means they will be pushed a lot of nodes to be sold. Now, the last node what was selling very fast was agent layer. They sold 4,000 nodes the first week. Let's assuming this is going to do the same. Let's say the first week they sold, let's say 1,000 nodes the first one day, second day 1 more 1,000 nodes, third day 1 more 1,000 nodes, so overall 3,000-4,000 nodes the first week. If the market is green, what I hope will be red, okay? If the market is red, the nodes will be selling much slower. What is good because we're going to earn tokens. What means you buy the node, you hold in your wallet, you don't need to do anything else. And these tokens are split between everybody who have the nodes. So let's do the maths. If they are sold, okay, if there are 100,000 tokens given per day, every day, also this is for the first year. Second year there will be 50,000, third year there will be 25,000. So the first 3 years we can earn good tokens. After that, that is coming deflationary, what means we're earning very low tokens, which means the price hopefully potential will go up. Again, nothing here is financial advice. Do your own research again. Okay, now 100,000 tokens split between everybody. If the first week they're sold, let's say the first couple of days, 3,000 tokens, okay, divided by 3,000 nodes, okay, then we're going to earn 33 tokens per day. This is approximately, okay, maybe the first day they are only sold 1,000 nodes, okay, what's mean we're going to get divided. What's mean by 1,000? We're going to get 100 tokens per day, okay? So overall, let's say we're earning around 40-50 tokens per day. And that node will be swapped probably in a couple of weeks' time. Now, this is the good things. If we're earning around 40-50 per day for the first 10 days, that's let's say 500 tokens. But let's make 1,000 tokens we earn till the swap is done in 2-3 weeks time. Then we have 90 days, you know, lock period. Then you can unlock with some penalty and all that stuff. So let's say we have around 1,000 tokens with one node. Okay, this is if you get day number 1 or 2 or 3. Okay, don't come here day number 90. Okay, now, so if you do the maths, let's say we have 1,000 tokens. Okay, 1,000 tokens. 1,000 tokens. And if you compare with the price right now, what is on Orion, and that will be swapped 1-to-1, as I understand. Somebody told me yesterday will be swapped 1-to-1 because the team confirmed that. I didn't confirm. That's what some of my members told me. What they saw the team say that. That means the price can be around 150 per day. Okay, what's mean 150? If you get 1,000 tokens, okay, that means 1,500 bucks you can get out the first day. Okay, but let's assuming the price is dunking and is double than that. That means it's 80 cents. That means you're making 800 bucks for the first day, or let's say the first week. Even if you sell that on half price before it's mature, you know, on half price with penalty, and the price is by then 160, maybe more, maybe less, and you get 50% of that. That's 80, you know, 80 pence. That means 1,000 tokens. That's equal to, you know, this is like my bearish scenario, that's equal to 800 bucks, and the note is 1,000 bucks. Now remember, and that's mean happy days we ROI the first week. If I ROI the first 3 months when the token is out, I will be happy bunny. If I ROI the first 6 months from when I buy the note, I'm happy because I'm going to earn tokens for the next 3, 4, 5 years time. Alright, that's about it for Lumia Nodes. Check my other video if you want to get more information. And this is just my price speculation. Again, this is my personal opinion. Maybe the price will tank to 5 cents, or maybe will go to $5 and we can ROI the first 5 days. Hey, happy days. Alright, leave me a comment, let me know what do you think about this crazy note. Are you going to get in? Are you not? Are you just going to watch on the side? Or maybe the token will pump and maybe it's good, maybe time to DCA. I don't have a clue. Alright, that's about it. The video is becoming too long. Thank you so much. Love you all. And I should see you in the next one. Goodbye.